In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute a muted thread in Gmail. If you've ever muted a conversation to keep your inbox tidy and later realized you're missing updates, unmuting is quick and simple. Muting in Gmail tells future replies in that thread to skip your inbox, so restoring it ensures new messages show up front and center again. First, open your browser and sign in to Gmail. I'm showing this on the desktop web version because the menus are easy to see and everything we'll do is available right from the inbox view. Next, let's find your muted conversations. Click into the Gmail search bar at the top and type exactly "is muted", no spaces, all lowercase, then press enter. Gmail will immediately list every conversation you've silenced. If you don't see any results, that likely means there aren't any muted threads in this account, or you might be signed in to a different profile than you expected. From that list, choose the conversation you want to bring back to normal. Click the subject line to open it. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right thread by skimming the participants and the most recent messages. It's always worth double-checking before you unmute, especially if you muted several similar conversations. With the thread open, look toward the top of the conversation for the More menu. It's the 3 vertical dots. Depending on your window size, this menu appears near the toolbar where you see icons like Reply and Print. Click those 3 dots to expand the options. In that menu, select Unmute. As soon as you do, Gmail will confirm the change with a brief on-screen notice. From this point forward, new replies to this conversation will appear in your inbox like normal, instead of being hidden. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you can't find the 3-dot menu, try maximizing your browser window or scrolling slightly so the toolbar is visible. If the search didn't work, double-check that you typed "is muted" with the colon and no spaces. And remember, unmuting doesn't retroactively move older messages into your inbox. It simply restores normal behavior for future replies. That's all there is to it. Sign in to Gmail, search for "is muted", open the conversation you want, and use the 3-dot menu to unmute. You've just regained control of that thread and ensured you won't miss any new updates. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.